Today we are going to learn about automating shipbuilding processes with AI robotics. We will explore how to integrate AI-driven robots for tasks such as welding and assembly, enhancing precision and efficiency in shipbuilding.
Shipbuilding, a cornerstone of global trade and transportation, is experiencing a revolutionary transformation thanks to artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics. Automation in shipbuilding not only enhances precision but also significantly reduces labor costs. Over the next 15 minutes, we will delve into how AI-driven robots are deployed to automate tasks such as welding and assembly. By the end of this video, you'll understand the integration process of AI in shipbuilding, learn about key technologies, and discover how these innovations are reshaping the industry landscape.
AI is a transformative force across various industries, and shipbuilding is no exception. By automating complex processes, AI enhances efficiency and precision in tasks that were once labor-intensive. Historically, shipbuilding has relied heavily on manual labor, but with AI's ability to process vast amounts of data and automate decision-making, shipbuilding is entering a new era. Current trends indicate that AI-driven automation can significantly reduce production time, minimize human error, and increase overall safety. As we explore further, you'll see how AI is not just a tool but a strategic partner in the shipbuilding process. The integration of robotics in shipbuilding is powered by several key technologies. Robotic welding systems, for instance, allow for precise and consistent welds, crucial for the integrity of ships. Automated assembly lines streamline the construction process, reducing time and labor costs. Precision cutting technologies ensure that every component fits perfectly, mitigating the risks of human error. Furthermore, robots are now being utilized in quality control, ensuring that each ship meets stringent safety and performance standards. AI's integration into these robotic systems enhances their capabilities, making them smarter and more efficient. We'll explore how these technologies are applied in real-world shipbuilding scenarios. AI algorithms play a pivotal role in optimizing shipbuilding tasks. Machine learning models are used to analyze past data and predict the most efficient ways to allocate resources and manage tasks. Predictive analytics help in foreseeing potential issues before they arise, allowing for proactive measures. These algorithms are adept at adapting to changing conditions, ensuring that production schedules are met without compromising on quality. By harnessing the power of AI, shipbuilders can streamline operations, reduce waste, and enhance productivity. Let's delve into the specifics of how these algorithms are implemented in the shipbuilding process.
Let's look at some real-world examples where AI and robotics have significantly impacted the shipbuilding industry. Companies like Hyundai Heavy Industries and Rolls-Royce have successfully integrated AI-driven robotics to enhance efficiency and precision in their shipyards. These implementations have resulted in substantial cost savings and a significant return on investment. By examining these case studies, we can glean valuable insights into the challenges faced and the solutions implemented. These examples highlight the potential of AI and robotics in revolutionizing shipbuilding, offering a glimpse into what the future holds for this industry. The integration of AI and robotics in shipbuilding necessitates stringent safety protocols. Ensuring the safety of human workers while maintaining the efficiency of robotic systems is paramount. Safety protocols are developed to manage risks associated with human-robot interactions, including guidelines for proximity and emergency shutdown procedures. Training programs are essential to ensure workers are competent in operating alongside these advanced systems. Compliance with industry standards and continuous monitoring are crucial to prevent accidents and equipment failures. By prioritizing safety, shipbuilders can harness the full potential of AI and robotics while safeguarding their workforce.
Despite the benefits, integrating AI and robotics in shipbuilding comes with its own set of challenges. Technological barriers such as system integration and data management need to be addressed. Workforce concerns, including job displacement and skill requirements, must be carefully managed to ensure a smooth transition. Solutions involve investing in training programs, fostering a culture of continuous improvement, and ensuring seamless integration of new technologies with existing systems. By proactively addressing these challenges, shipbuilders can unlock the potential of AI-driven automation and drive the industry forward.
The introduction of AI and robotics in shipbuilding is transforming workforce dynamics. As automation takes over repetitive tasks, the demand for skilled labor in programming, maintenance, and oversight of robotic systems is on the rise. Upskilling and reskilling programs are essential to equip the workforce with the necessary skills to thrive in this new environment. Balancing human and robotic labor is crucial to maintaining efficiency while ensuring job satisfaction. As we move forward, understanding these trends will be vital for both employers and employees to adapt and excel in an increasingly automated industry.
Looking ahead, the future of AI robotics in shipbuilding is filled with exciting possibilities. Emerging technologies such as autonomous ships promise to revolutionize maritime transport, offering unprecedented levels of efficiency and sustainability. Collaborative robotics, where robots work alongside humans, is set to enhance productivity further. These innovations will not only streamline shipbuilding processes but also reduce environmental impact, aligning with global sustainability goals. As these technologies evolve, they will shape the long-term outlook of the industry, offering new opportunities for growth and development. In conclusion, the integration of AI and robotics in shipbuilding is reshaping the industry, offering enhanced precision, efficiency, and cost savings. As we have explored, these technologies are not just tools but strategic assets driving the future of shipbuilding. The journey towards full automation presents challenges and opportunities alike, and staying informed and adaptable is key to success. We encourage you to continue exploring this fascinating field, embracing innovation and the potential it holds for a more efficient and sustainable future in shipbuilding.